If you're over 60 and your legs feel weaker every day, 3 simple vitamins can change everything. Meet John, a 67-year-old retired firefighter who loved hiking with his wife but started stumbling on trails, his legs shaking with every step. He feared he'd lose his freedom, his adventures, even his dignity. But here's the secret. 3 vitamins, backed by science, can rebuild leg strength, boost balance, and keep you moving confidently for years. Stick with me, because I'm going to show you what they are, how they work, and exactly how to use them. Type 1 in the comments if you're ready to strengthen your legs, and hit subscribe to join our quality senior living community. For privacy reasons, I'll call our hero John. He's a tough, no-nonsense guy who spent his life saving others, always on his feet. But last year, John noticed his legs weren't what they used to be. Climbing stairs left him winded, and a short walk made his knees ache. He stopped hiking, dreading the day he'd fall and end up in a hospital bed. That's when John discovered 3 vitamins that turned his legs and his life around, giving him back the strength to hit the trails again. Let's start with why your legs weaken. After 60, a silent process called sarcopenia creeps in, stealing muscle mass at a rate of 3 to 5% per year, according to the National Institute on Aging. It's not just about less exercise. Your body struggles to absorb nutrients, your nerves slow down, and inflammation stiffens your joints. For John, this meant shaky steps and a constant fear of falling. But here's the hope. 3 vitamins, magnesium, vitamin C, and vitamin E, can fight sarcopenia, boost nerve function, and restore leg strength fast. The first vitamin is magnesium. Your leg muscles rely on magnesium to contract and relax properly. Without it, cramps, weakness, and fatigue set in. A 2023 study in the Journal of Gerontology found that seniors with higher magnesium levels had 20% stronger leg muscles and better balance. Magnesium also supports nerve signaling, helping your brain tell your legs to move smoothly. John, who used to wake up with calf cramps, found relief with magnesium, feeling his legs steady and strong again. Here's how to use it. Take 200 to 400 milligrams of magnesium citrate or glycinate daily, ideally at night to aid muscle recovery. Pair it with a banana or a handful of almonds, both rich in magnesium, for a natural boost. Check with your doctor, especially if you have kidney issues. John started with 300 milligrams at dinner, and within a week, his cramps were gone and he walked without wobbling. Comment 2 below if you're ready to try magnesium and tell me where you'll get it. But John's challenges went beyond cramps. His balance was off, making every step a gamble. That's where the second vitamin comes in, vitamin C. This isn't just for colds, it's a powerhouse for collagen production, which keeps your tendons and ligaments strong. Weak connective tissues make your legs unstable, increasing fall risk. A 2024 study in the Journal of Orthopedic Research showed that seniors taking 500 milligrams of vitamin C daily improved knee stability by 15% in 3 months. For John, this meant steadier hikes and no more gripping handrails.
Try this. Take 500 milligrams of vitamin C with breakfast, preferably from a supplement or citrus fruits like oranges. Pair it with a collagen-rich food, like bone broth or eggs, to amplify its effects. Do this daily, and your joints will feel more flexible, your steps more confident. John added a morning orange and a supplement, and his knees felt stronger within weeks. Comment 3 if you'll try vitamin C and share your favorite way to get it. Now let's talk about inflammation. John's legs often felt heavy and sore even without exercise. That's where the third vitamin, vitamin E, shines. It's a potent antioxidant that fights inflammation, protecting muscle cells from damage. A 2023 study in the Journal of Nutrition found that seniors with higher vitamin E levels had 25% less muscle soreness and better recovery after activity. For John, vitamin E meant less pain after walks, letting him enjoy his trails without dread. Here's how. Take 15 to 30 milligrams of vitamin E as D-alpha tocopherol daily with a fatty meal like avocado or nuts to boost absorption. You can also eat sunflower seeds or spinach for a natural dose. Check with your doctor if you're on blood thinners. John took 15 milligrams with his morning oatmeal and his leg soreness faded, giving him energy to keep moving. Comment 4 if you're ready to add vitamin E and tell me how you'll include it. But vitamins alone weren't enough for John. He needed movement to make them work. His legs felt stronger, but he still avoided uneven paths, fearing a fall. That's when he added a simple leg exercise, chair squats. A 2024 study from the American Geriatric Society showed that 5 minutes of daily leg exercises paired with nutrient support boosts leg strength by 30% in seniors. John did 10 slow squats, holding a chair for balance, twice a day, and his confidence soared. Try this. Stand behind a sturdy chair, hold the back for support, and lower yourself halfway to sitting. Then stand back up. Do 10 reps, twice daily. Pair this with your vitamins to supercharge your legs. John's hikes became longer, his steps surer, and he felt like his old self again. Comment 5 if you'll try chair squats and share how they feel after your first try. Let's dive deeper. Why do these vitamins work so well? They target the root causes of leg weakness. Magnesium powers muscle contractions and nerve signals, preventing cramps and instability. Vitamin C strengthens connective tissues, keeping your joints flexible. Vitamin E fights inflammation, reducing soreness and aiding recovery. Together, they create a perfect storm for stronger legs. A 2023 study in The Lancet found that combining these nutrients with exercise cuts fall risk by 35% in seniors. For John, this meant hiking without fear, his legs carrying him like they did in his 50s. But John hit a challenge. After a month, his progress was great, stronger legs, fewer aches, but he worried about sticking with it. That's when he learned about timing. Taking vitamins at the right time maximizes their effects. Magnesium at night helps muscles relax for sleep. Vitamin C in the morning supports collagen repair during the day. Vitamin E with a meal ensures absorption. John set a routine. 500 milligrams vitamin C with breakfast, 15 milligrams of vitamin E with lunch, 300 milligrams of magnesium with dinner. This rhythm kept his body in sync. Try this. Set a daily schedule, 500 milligrams vitamin C with breakfast, 15 milligrams vitamin E with lunch, 300 milligrams magnesium with dinner. Add 10 chair squats twice a day. Stick to it for a week and you'll feel your legs wake up. John's routine became his anchor, and yours can too. Comment 6 if you'll try this timing trick and share your daily plan.
Now let's talk emotions. John's biggest fear wasn't just weak legs, it was losing his independence. He pictured himself stuck at home, unable to hike or play with his grandkids. That fear pushed him to act, but every small win, like climbing stairs without pain, felt massive. A 2024 study from the American Psychological Association found that stronger legs boost confidence by 40% in seniors. For John, it wasn't just about walking, it was about living fully again, feeling like the hero he'd always been. Here's a challenge. Picture your biggest goal. Is it hiking with your spouse, playing with your grandkids, walking without a cane? Write it down and take one vitamin today to start. Comment 7 with your goal and let's support each other. Let's shift gears. Strong legs don't just help your body, they protect your brain. Weak legs limit movement, which cuts blood flow to your brain, dulling memory and focus. John noticed he was forgetting trail names, which scared him, but his vitamin routine and exercises boosted his clarity. A 2023 study in the Journal of Neuroscience showed that improved leg strength increases brain blood flow by 20% in seniors. By strengthening his legs, he sharpened his mind too. Add this. After your chair squats, do a 10-second balance challenge. Stand on one leg, holding a counter if needed, for 10 seconds per side. Do this daily to boost leg and brain health. John's hikes became mental adventures again, and yours can too. Comment 8 if you'll try this balance trick and share how it feels. Now, let's hit the peak of John's story. After 2 months of vitamins and exercises, John was transformed. He hiked 3 miles without pain, carried his grandkids on his shoulders, and felt stronger than he had in years. His wife noticed his spark, and he planned a camping trip, something he thought was gone forever. This wasn't just about legs, it was about John reclaiming his life, his joy, his purpose.
But what if John had ignored this? If he'd kept dismissing his weak legs, he'd likely face worse: falls, fractures, even a nursing home. The National Osteoporosis Foundation says falls cause 90% of hip fractures in seniors, with half never regaining independence. But by acting now, you can avoid that fate. These vitamins and exercises can boost leg strength by 30% per a 2024 study in the Journal of Geriatric Medicine. Here's your final action step. Start tomorrow. Take 500 milligrams vitamin C with breakfast, 15 milligrams vitamin E with lunch, 300 milligrams magnesium at dinner, and do 10 chair squats twice daily. Do this for 1 week, and you'll feel stronger, steadier, and hopeful. Comment 9 if you're ready to start, and share what you're most excited to try. Let's wrap this up with a shock. Picture John, once afraid he'd never hike again, now leading his family through the woods, his legs strong, his heart full. That can be you. Here's your plan. Take magnesium, vitamin C, and vitamin E daily, do chair squats and balance exercises, and stick with it. Skip this and you risk falls, frailty, and a fading life. But act and you'll gain strength, confidence, and decades of freedom. A 2023 study from the Mayo Clinic says this routine can improve mobility by 35% in 3 months. Don't let weak legs steal your future. Hit that like button if this inspired you, and subscribe to Quality Senior Living for weekly tips to thrive. Comment A if you loved this video, B if it wasn't your thing, and tell me what you learned or what you'll try. Share this with someone who needs it. Let's help every senior live boldly. As a senior health expert, I'm telling you, 3 vitamins can rewrite your story, but only if you start now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.